Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of Jimster586's Lock Shop. Today I've got a miracle padlock for you. It's a big thing. It's like a 2-pound padlock, shrouded. Not much to see there other than the interesting design of it. The information is here on the bottom. If I get the camera to focus, we'll be doing good. I can also not drop the lock on the floor. Made in USA, Miracle Lock Corp. Sub-liquidations and industries. Patents. Ingersoll is the owner of Schlag. I think they also own Kwikset nowadays. This is a big, heavy padlock. And here's one key to said padlock. Let me turn it this way. Your code numbers. It's cut on both sides, and this key only goes in one way, so it's pinned on all sides too. US property. Gotta love that. Profile from that side. Notice the grooves are different on each side, so like I said, this key only goes in one way. Number 90. Ingersoll. So let's open it up and see what happens. Now again, I have to keep track of which way this key goes. So if I put it in the wrong way, or try to put it in the wrong way, it's not going to go in. It's not a double-sided in the typical method. So we'll put it in this way. And we'll open her up. Okay, lock is open, right? Well, not quite. Now, you'll see a lot of locks that are not spring-loaded. Your higher security Medicos and Abloys and so on. This one's a little different. Voila! You can take the shackle right out of it. Hold it up for you. Note that it's the double ball bearing style. And you can't really see. See if I can get you a look down inside here. But I really can't. I don't have much to work with. I'm going to take my word for it. But as you can see here, it's the double ball bearing style. Kind of a neat twist that you can simply remove the shackle. It's the first padlock I've ever dealt with where you could do that. Just lock it up. Pull the key out. And of course it's locked up, nice and tight. I'm being swarmed by kitty cats. I think I have 2 kitties up here swarming me. I guess that kind of a unique twist to be able to pull the shackle right out of the lock. And this lock will lock. It's not a key, like a key retainer. It will lock with the shackle out. Only problem with that, of course, is trying to get the shackle back in. It can't pass the ball bearings with it in the locked position. So we'll just have to kind of work with that a little bit. There we go. Lock is secured. So this is a miracle padlock. It's like a 2.5 pound lock. Made by Ingersoll. Key says US property. I don't know what its original home was, but it's mine now. eBay is a beautiful thing. So with that, I don't really have much else to show you here. So I'll say thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time at Chimster586's Lock Shop. Thanks for watching.